Hello everyone, my name is Timur Gadžo. I am consultant quality assurance engineer. I'll talk about QA helping make cool better. There are various options to get the content out of Collabora Online. So we can save as the content, or we can export it as PDF, or we can download it in various extensions or print it to physical or virtual printer. Export as PDF is a new feature added recently. Previously ODF Expert and EPUB Expert were available in download as many as a way to save file to user's file system. A customer asked for a new feature of export to PDF. Same month, export to storage was made available, so that the file is saved next to the edited file in the storage, and it's already in Cool 2205. Then we had few QA issues with that. Someone noticed that we cannot export as PDF a document with spaces or dots in the file name. In a fortnight the fix landed in online and of course backported to 2205. It was made available in release Cool 2205 12.3 just a few days before Cool Days. So when you are listening to this, you already have this fix. Another problem was that following the certain procedure of using download as PDF and saving, the document couldn't be saved. Also in a fortnight the fix was made and landed in online, and it was done before, so it was made already in 2205.11. There are more issues. Sometimes issues are not general and easily reproducible, so a detail must be found. For example, a customer has a problem to download PDF. It can be a problem with integration or with Docker. We are still investigating what's going on. Or another issue, print doesn't work from rootless container. There is an explanation about how PDF works in creating hashes and using the random device. Another issue is that convert or print of large documents to PDF may be a problem. If it's cool problem, then timeout kills the kit process. A file will not be produced at all. But if there is some form of crippled result, like you get 500 pages out of 5,000, an increase of Nextcloud timeout, if that storage, may help. Another issues. If one cannot export as PDF and everything else is fine, it can be Apache reverse proxy configuration, which can be seen with trace in HTTPD. Allowing code slashes can be on or no decode, but must be set up in vhouse section of Apache config that case. Or another issue, if someone cannot export to PDF, then it's good to see the mount jail 3 setting. And if it doesn't work with default and recommended true, it can be tried with false, but not kept like that, because true is the normal setting which should work like that. Or someone cannot print from Chrome but can from Firefox. It can be integration or content security policy issue. In one case the issue was coming from the iframe sandbox attribute, which we are normally not asserting. Or there can be some minor problem. For example, in Firefox only, not in Chrome. A landscape document is seen as portrait document and it cannot be fixed in preview window, but really it works okay. It's just an issue of preview. Firefox also has some problem with overscaling the document with Collabora, meaning that it can be enlarged more. That's not an issue for Chrome. We at QA are working to make the software of higher quality and to resolve faster. We learn about new technologies and try to reproduce customer issues. The lesson is, we should all use the software as intended, read documentation, and follow the best practices. Thank you. Have a nice day.